In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides. If you love designing in Canva but need to present, share, or collaborate in Google Slides, this quick workflow will keep your design intact and ready to use. Start in Canva by opening the presentation you want to move. Look to the top right of your screen and click the Share button. From that menu, choose Download. In the File Type dropdown, select pptx, which is the standard PowerPoint format that Google Slides can import. Make sure all pages are selected so every slide is included, then click Download. Your browser will save the file to your computer, typically to the Downloads folder unless you've changed your default location. Take a quick note of the file name so it's easy to find in the next step. Exporting as a pptx keeps your layout as close as possible to what you designed in Canva, which is why this format is recommended. Now head to Google Slides in your web browser. If you don't have it bookmarked, just search for Google Slides and sign into your account. If a new untitled presentation opens automatically, you can ignore or close it. We're going to import your existing file instead. On the Google Slides home screen, click the Open File Picker icon. It looks like a small folder and appears on the right side. In the window that opens, select the Upload tab, click Browse, navigate to your Downloads folder, and select the pptx file you just exported from Canva. Then click Open. Google Slides will upload and convert the file for you. Once it opens, you'll see your slides ready to edit. You might notice that some shapes or text shift slightly. That's normal when moving between design tools. The good news is that the slides typically display correctly in presentation mode. If something appears a little off, small adjustments to spacing, alignment, or font sizes usually fix it quickly. Choosing widely available fonts in Canva can also reduce differences after import. When you return to your Google Slides homepage, you'll find the imported presentation saved there for future access. From here, you can organize it into folders, share it with collaborators, or present it directly. No need to remake anything from scratch. This simple process bridges Canva's polished designs into the flexibility of Google Slides. So you can design where you're most comfortable and present where your team works best. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.